Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Wednesday, May the 6th, 2020. We have only, in the additional of this newspaper, 5 Sudokus. A One Star Sudoku, 2 stars, 4 stars, tectonic, and a binary puzzle. So we will start first with the 1 star Sudoku. So let's get started. All right. Let me drink first some tea. Look, I have some tea. Ooh. Need to talk a lot, so let's get started. I see here in this row 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 3. We have a 5 and a 3 here, so there cannot be a 5 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 and the 3 goes here and goes there in those 2 boxes. 5 and the 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. How about yes. Well, the 5 in this column, the 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. In this big square, we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see. Can I do something with the 3? The 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be here. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8, no 8 in this box. I see there an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. in this column we have an 8 here. In the column next we have an 8 over there. So in the last column the 8 should be here or there, but I see in this big square only 3 boxes left and one of the missing number is an 8. So in this middle row we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8. This should be an 8. And in this big square 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there in the first column. We have an 8 here in one of those 2 boxes. Second column we have an 8 over there. So in the third column the only place for the 8 should be here. This is an 8, alright. Okay, then the 2. Eight, yes, no. 6. How about these 2 numbers in this column? Missing numbers, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, no. Cannot fill this yet. Here about the 2 and the 7, no. 2 and the 7. Here also a 7. Oh, I need more information. The 4. Yes, in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The other 3 numbers are the 7, the 9, and the 6. The 6 is missing. 7, 9, and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The 9 should be here. Alright, and then 9 should be the 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then how about 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, and a 4. No, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. 6, 9, 6, 9, and 3. Yes, these are 3 missing numbers. In this row, the missing numbers are the 3, the 6, and the 9. The 3, 6, and the 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 there. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 9. Here we have the 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. 6 and 2 and yes, these 2 numbers in this column. The missing numbers are the 2 and the 4, the 2 and the 4, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. How about 4, 4, 4, 4. Ooh. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 6 and 3, 6 and 3. Ay. 4. 6. Hey. Let me think. I think I need to mark some boxes. Yes, 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the row above the first row, here we have 2 9s. These are reserved for the 2 8s, I believe. Yes, 2 8s. Here also the 2 8s, I remember. How about these two, 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. Here also the 6 and the 3. These two numbers are the 2 and the 4. No, 1, 2, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 6. This should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so this should be the 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. These 3 numbers, 7, 3, and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 3 numbers, the 7, 6. We have a 6 now. No 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. The 7 and the 9 are missing. I marked this. 7 and the 9. Oh, we have a 7 here, so this should be at the 7. This should be the 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. 2 and 9. How about these 3 numbers? The 1, the 3, and the 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these? We have a 9 here. I have marked these 2 boxes with a 9. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9. This should be the 9. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 7. 7 is missing. Yes. Then these 3 numbers, the 1, the 2, and the 3. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These 2 numbers, the 3 and the 4 are missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 3 should be here, because we have a 3 here. This cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. The 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So 3 places for a 4. But we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. These 2 numbers are left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 2. No, we have 2, 3, 4, 5. The 7 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9 are missing. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7, I believe. Yes. 8 and the 2 are left. Cannot fill this yet. but the 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. The 8 and the 3 are missing. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8. This should be the 8, and this should be the 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes here. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku 1 star, it's okay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. Thank you and bye-bye.